Been down here this morning, cleaned up a little bit. Uh, Got the leaf blower out and blew 90% of the dust off everything and out the door. So it's a lot better down here. There's still, stuff that's dusty. And started blowing around inside this thing. It was like a dust tornado. So, but like I said, opened the doors, blew everything out the best I could. Wiped this thing down. Thinking today, it's warm, but it's kind of nasty outside. Not really raining, but it has been raining. It's only like a 10% chance, but we're pretty much done with our body work. I may pick over a few more places and mess with that, but not really interested in making a gigantic dust mess. Our next step, we're going to be disassembling the subframe and stuff out from under this car. Front suspension's got to go. Basically, it's going to be stripped to a bare shell. I ordered the paint supplies I need tonight. Just some reducer and hardener for some stuff I already have. And I'll order it, and it should be here middle of the week. So, weather forecast don't look great all week. So, but next weekend it's supposed to be nice on Saturday. So, might do it then. Until then, I'm going to work on cleaning some of this mess up. A, I don't have nowhere else to put anything down here, and B, it's gotten out of hand. Big thing is I gotta have somewhere to put this and this stuff, and I can't carry it upstairs. So, looks like we're gonna be getting rid of some things and maybe trying to sell a few things here. So, let's get busy doing this, I guess. Well, making a little progress. Got stuff generally kind of picked up here. Went and dug my battery charger out and decided to throw a softener on there for a few. Been a good battery. It's not a lot you can say about these anymore. This one's from 2017. Anytime I don't use it, I always try to keep it on a charger every once in a while. But making a little progress. Took some old Phenoix stuff out, power brake stuff, and some power steering stuff off this car. Was over there buried under some stuff, and found an extra set of less coil packs and some chains. Cleaned my little card off. This is Pontiac and Geo stuff that goes on this car. That was in the floor down here. I picked it up and cleaned this card up, put it on it for now. This is all stuff I've got to clean up and paint and stuff, and it's pretty nasty. So got that going on. Got this corner kind of straightened up a little bit. Got some old valve covers up, and the rest of them I stick aside my blaster for now. Yeah, it's this stuff ain't no fast go stuff, so I'm just gonna keep cleaning, and I'm hoping I can get it cleaned up to a point where I can figure out where I'm putting some more stuff, and then I can start tearing this apart. So sometimes you gotta do stuff you don't want to do stuff that you need to do. So we'll just go from there. Well, it's getting pretty late. Got the LS motor tore down. Long blocks ready to be picked up. Got the transmission off of it and all turbo stuff stacked together. Got all my blocks of wood in one spot. Don't look like a whole lot's been done, but I moved quite a bit of stuff around. Didn't get to work on this today, but we did get the garage cleaned up a little bit, get a little more room. Maybe tomorrow we can make a little more progress. So sometimes you gotta take a little time and clean a little bit and what you kind of end up with. So, I'll see y'all tomorrow.